Now the Alert Day forecast from the WGAL News 8 Storm Team.
Good evening, everyone. We're still tracking the threat for a couple strong storms as we go through the evening hours. Tornado watch remains in effect for York, Lancaster, Lebanon, and Dauphin County for a few more hours. And areas to the west here, the watch has been dropped for you. As we look at Storm Team Live radar network, we had a couple rounds of rain earlier today, and that helped work over the atmosphere. That's why we really didn't see the stronger storms as we went throughout the afternoon, is because the atmosphere kept getting worked over. It didn't have time to charge up and really unleash the potential. So that's good news. We want that. And that's what happened throughout the day today. We did see a couple strong thunderstorms, though, in parts of the area. And we are watching another line developing off to the west here. That line does have the potential to still produce some gusty winds and straight line winds later on this evening. But right now, still have some rain in Lebanon and also in Dauphin County. Some light to moderate rain across the area there around Hershey, Lebanon, as well as Williamstown, and also down in Lancaster County. Still got some light to moderate rain in Lancaster, Quarryville, all the way down to Holtwood there in Delta, out to Shrewsbury, seeing a little bit of light rain. Same thing for you in York City. We still have a little bit of light rain in parts of Adams County, northern York County, and some spotty sprinkles here and there around Newville and Shippensburg there in Cumberland County. Here's the latest risk from the Storm Prediction Center. This just came down about 10 minutes ago. They still have our eastern areas under that enhanced risk, and it is a wind-driven risk, meaning straight line winds are the reason why they still have it elevated. So we still need to watch the potential for it as that line comes on through, but notice how it has weakened or lessened in the chance as we went for our western counties. So we are seeing the threat diminish for parts of our area, and that is definitely some good news as we go through the evening. So what can you expect from this point on? Severe thunderstorm threat is tapering, so that's good news, but strong cold front will arrive this evening. That could bring us some strong gusty winds and also an isolated strong storm here and there. The winds behind the cold front, it's going to be a very gusty, and it's also going to be a quick drop in temperatures. Could see some snow showers actually by the time we get to midnight tonight. Potential hazards are downed trees, sporadic power outages, and some pounding on roadways for maybe some heavy rain. But that's as that cold front comes on through, it has the ability to generate some of those gusty winds here as we go through the evening. York right now, we got a lot of cloud cover, and as we take a look at temperatures, we're still in the 60s here in the Susquehanna Valley. But check out Pittsburgh, it's 37 right now, and Cleveland's 34. So in a few hours, we're going to start seeing that front move into our area, and you can just see how quickly those temperatures drop. 60 in Altoona, 40 in Du Bois. It's not too far away there where those temperatures drop, so that's what's coming our way. Here's the predictor around 6 o'clock tonight, still showing some scattered showers and thunderstorms pushing through with that cold front coming in. Like I said, with that front, we do have to watch for the threat of some damaging winds, but then behind it, temperatures drop, and like I said, by 10, 11 o'clock, could see some snow showers in parts of the Susquehanna Valley. The good news is it's not going to stick. With temperatures in the 60s today, it's not going to stick to the roadways, maybe on the grassy surfaces for a little bit, but it will melt. As we go into tomorrow, the winds are out of the northwest. It's colder, it's blusterier, but it should be drier across the Susquehanna Valley, but it's definitely going to be a noticeably different day tomorrow. High pressure comes back into control for Wednesday with a mix of sun and clouds across the day on Wednesday, although it does look like more clouds than sun. So for the rest of the evening tonight, just be on alert for a couple strong storms for the next few hours, but by 8, 9 o'clock, things should be winding down. Tonight, rain to snow, coating on the grassy surfaces, like I said, and gusty winds. We do have a wind advisory in effect that it will last until 11 o'clock for gusts up to 50 miles per hour east of the Susquehanna River. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy, 34 to 38 for those highs, but it's going to feel like the 20s out there. And they actually expanded the wind advisory for the entire Susquehanna Valley now. This again continues across the area as we go into the evening hours here. They just did that from the National Weather Service as we came on here. So we'll get you an idea on that here in a little bit. But we will see those wind gusts continue 40 to 45 miles per hour overnight tonight. Here's a look at the 10-day forecast. Tomorrow, still blustery, 36 degrees, feeling like the 20s throughout the day tomorrow. And then on Wednesday, we got the 38 for that high, 46 on your Thursday, and 52. Finally getting back to where we should be for this time of year by the time we get to the